Considering downloading the White House app in 2025? Think again. Our honest review reveals why this mobile application is a shocking privacy and security nightmare you absolutely need to avoid. Marketed to provide unparalleled access to the Trump administration, expert analysis exposes serious, hair-raising flaws beneath its surface. We dive deep into its framework, uncovering alarming location tracking capabilities that report your whereabouts as often as every 4.5 minutes, and share personal data with third-party servers. Cybersecurity researchers were outraged, finding minimal security protections, worse than apps from small startups, and even critical YouTube embeds routed through a personal GitHub account, posing a significant security risk if compromised. The app misleadingly reports no location data collection to app stores, yet the GPS tracking code is undeniably present. This White House app review confirms it's a hard pass. If you're concerned about mobile app privacy, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and check the description below for links to expert security reports to learn more.